Today I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing this cocktail smoker kit. I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending me this product, so let's go ahead and check it out. So today I'm actually going to be unboxing it. I'm going to show you what is included and then we're going to go ahead and test it out. Let's go ahead and take everything out of the box. Right out of the box, you get a user manual. This is going to walk you through the product. It's going to show you everything that is included in this box and also walk you through the steps on how to properly use your smoker kit. Inside you do get a product list, so let me go ahead and verify that everything is in here. So we should get our electric whiskey smoker. Take a look. This is what it looks like. We get a total of 8 wood chips. So here is the cherry flavor, here is the apple flavor, pecan flavor, pear flavor, another apple, we got oak, we got another cherry, and beach flavor. Get these sponge pads. You get a USB-C to USB charging cable. You have your spoon here, and then your cleaning brush. So inside of your manual, it does walk you through on how to properly use your smoker kit. This is a great gift option. Father's Day, a Christmas gift, a birthday gift. It did mention that this fits a multiple cups, so we're gonna go ahead and test it out. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on now. So you can see I press the on and it does have different light settings. So it has a total of 6 colors, which is blue, green, red, yellow, pink, and cyan. On the top here, it does give you the battery life. So it currently has a 48% of battery life. And then on the front side here, this is where you're going to go ahead and charge it up. So you do want to go ahead and unlock that. As you can see, it does have a lock and an unlock. So you want to go ahead and twist this, rotate it. So you could go ahead and unlock it, and you want to put your sponge pad on the bottom cover just like that. Now this right here is your little basket, so you want to go ahead and place that right here. Then whatever flavor you decide, you want to go ahead and place it inside the basket. I'm gonna go ahead and go with apple. The little apple wood chips. That's what they look like. So using the little spoon, you want to go ahead and grab your wood chips and you want to fill up your basket. Okay, so you want to go ahead and fill up the basket like this. All right, so once you fill up your basket, you want to go ahead and place this back on and you want to put it in the locked position. You can see unlock, and then you want to go ahead and lock it. Press and hold now. So I have my cup here with the ice. All right, so it is starting up. Take a look. It is smoking that drink. I could smell the smoky flavor. As soon as I turned it on, it ignited it. And as you could see, go ahead and remove that just so you could see the smokiness. Look at that. Definitely, you could smell the smokiness from the drink. You could see the smoke coming out. Look at that. So if you have someone or yourself, you enjoy smoky, rich flavors, and you have been looking for a smoker kit, one that comes already prepared, it is user-friendly. This is the first time I personally use one, and I thought it was so easy to use, so simple to follow the instructions, and take a look. Just like that, you will have a smoky drink within seconds. So if you've been on the lookout, I'll go ahead and leave a link down below. Also, make sure to like and follow for more video reviews. Cheers.